welcome to our next colleague.
谁呀？壮流，壮流。电动车啊！
讲电动车啊？
对呀。
我会讲吗 ？Hello，
蒙不见，刘氏蒙不见。
Now we will introduce electric and like this.
出屏了，我给你出屏了。
Like this. This is our small electric. Our light order X should for 11 and our program can slide electric setting the pattern for and also suitable for long range expression. And like this, like this electric that has aluminum steel frame. Steel is Q 3, 4, 5 mercury. Just carbon steel. And they also have 14-inch type. And this bike, the model is 1612, and the price is about USD 429 and this electric bike, the charger is AC 100 meter and 240 meters, and also use the schedule time about 6 hours. And with light weight, that weight is about 25 kilometers, and the hiking side, the long side is about 745 millimeters, and the wide side is about 410 millimeters, and the high side is about 610 millimeters. And you may weigh a 20 far that can be have 1020 units, and a bigger 14 FR that can be have 255 units. And our models use the 300 winter, and they have the vibrator is 48 liter and 11 ampere, and also have the L is the letter, and the max speed is less than 25 kilometers, and the max speed is about 455 kilometers, and the distance change is less than and more than 55 kilometers. Yes. Like this photos. This is our picture. And like this, we can look our picture and the side is about the long side, and this long side is about 745, and the right side is about 410 millimeters, and the high side is about 610 millimeters. Also use the steel framer hammer, and then have the small basket in the hardware, and also then have a bigger letters like this picture, and this letter side is about the long side is about 300 millimeters, and the right side is about 10 millimeters, and the right side is about 100 millimeters. Also have like LCD. And this is our another yellow, another white electric bike. And another picture, this is red. And our another 1708 and one models like this picture. This electric bike is about USD 728 millimeters, and the charger also is 2,400 meters, and also have 25 meters model, and the brand is about 45 meter and 11 ampere. Also is used the aluminum wire framer like this, and the third is about 20 inch, and we can put this picture, and the hiking side, long side is about 915 millimeters, and the right side also is 360 millimeters, and the high side is 620 millimeters, and this electric. The relevant is about 20 kg when unit. And usually 20 FR we can have the 100 units, and 14 FR we can make the 150 units. And the bus span is less than 30 kilometers, and also the paper is LCD. The brake is FR and R display, and also use the 20 to 250 liters water, and picture is more than 45 meters, like these pictures. And another very popular one is 1801, like this. This is some information about this electric bike. First, the charger also is AC 100 and 440 meters, and the model is 350 meters. And so the charge time is about 4 and 6 hours. And uses the aluminum fiber and 20-inch paper type, and uses the PMC cover, and this bike is only 10 kg when set, and the packing size is long side. Packing size long side is 900, and the wide side is about 470, and the high side is 630. And usually 100 units in 20 FR, and 200 units in 14 FR. And the LCD display. Also, the max speed is less than 25 kilometers, and the max load is more than 100 kilometers, 100 kg, and the display charge is more than 40 meters. And some photos, this is the blue. And this is our another picture. Our bigger grass. And another is small, and very electric bike. And like this picture, The price is USD 480 units, and the delivery time is about 95 days. When I found 20 FR or 40 FR, and you need 110 units in 20 FR and 220 units in 40 FR, and this electric side is 900 and 470 and 670. The unit wind is about 19.5 kilometers in pace, and also use the aluminum and steel fiber, and the chamber time is about 3 hours. The chamber also uses the 100 and 240 meters, and the brush is about 36 meters, and the model is 350 meters. Also, the LCD display and the box is less than 30 millimeters long, and box is more than 100 kg, and the distance per change is more than 40 kilometers per hole. And I have the span and the mounting 6 span. Like this picture. And with the pictures. Like this. And welcome to Beijing. Beijing. Okay.
妈的，翻译卡给老师50块钱，一个都3块。
Hello everyone, this is Call from EV channel. Now I will introduce the EV bags model 1X01. The model 1X01 is the charger is AC 100 volt to 240 volt smart charge, and the motor is a brushless 350 volt real motor, and the charging time is about 4 hours to 6 hours, and the battery is a lithium battery 36 volt and 10 Ah. And the throttle is optional, and sensor type the speed sensor. The display is LED, and the mechanical components. The material frame is aluminum alloy, and the trails is it has 20-inch. And the climate accepted is 12 degrees. And the foldable, yes. And the material of rim is alloy. And the chain is KMC. The chainwheel material is online, and the rear rack is also the online. The saddle is the comfortable safe style, and the brake is the FRV brake, RRV brake, and the front fork is steel strength fork, and the pedal is foldable. And handlebar material is alloy, and the stem is alloy foldable. The performance, the Model 1801 net weight is about 18 kilograms, and the max speed is less than 25 kilometers. The car size, it is 900 multiply 470 multiply 760 millimeters, and the max load is about 100 kilograms. The container load is it's about 110 units, 20 ft, or 230 units, 14 ft. And the distance per charge is about more than 40 kilometers. And this is some pictures about the Model 1801. The next model is the 1803. The charger is AC 100 volts to 240 volts smart charge, and the motor is a brushless 250 volts real motor, and the charging time is about 2 to 5 hours. The battery is the lithium battery 36 volts and 7.8 Ah, and the throttle is optional, and the cylinder type is a speed cylinder. The display is LED. Mechanical components. The material of the frame is aluminum alloy. It is foldable, and the choice is 20-inch, and the climbing safety is 12 degree, and the material of drive is alloy, and the brake is a FRV brake, RRV brake. The chain is the KMC, and the speed grace is the Shimano 6 speed, and derailleur is Shimano 6 speed, and the material of the chainwheel is alloy, and the rear rack is not the handlebar material is alloy, and the material of stem is also alloy. The saddle is GST. The performance, the Model 1803 net weight is about 18.5 kilograms, and the max speed is less than 30 kilometers, and the carton size is about 900 millimeters multiply 470 multiply 330 millimeters. The max load is about 100 kilograms, and the container load is 110 units, 20 ft, or 230 units, 40 ft. The max speed is less than 30 kilometers. The mass load is about 100 kilograms, and the distance per charge is more than 40 kilometers. This is some photos about our electric bicycle 1X03. Next, I will introduce the model 1526 electric bicycle. The model 1526 electric bicycle charge is AC 100 volt to 240 volt smart charge, and the motor is a brushless 250 volts, and the charging time is about 4 to 6 hours. Battery is the lithium battery 36 volt 10 Ah. Throttle is optional, and cylinder type is speed cylinder. The mechanical components, the material frame is aluminum alloy, and the trails is 28-inch multiply 158. The display is LCD 5 volt adjust speed meter. And with and the frame is with 6 kilometers H push, and the climbing safety is 12 degree. The material of rime is alloy double wall, and the front fork is Taiwan SR suspension fork. The chain is a KFC, and the brake is the FRD brake, RRD brake. The material of chain wheel is alloy. The speed grace, the channel 7 speed. It is rear rack, yes. The rear irregular, the channel 6 speed, and the saddle is Taiwan wheel. The handlebar is online, and the packing and material stem is also alloy. The packing information, the network is about 25 kilograms. The gross weight is 30 kilograms. The cut size is about 1,480 multiply 290 multiply 950 millimeters, and is 75% packing. And the container load is 70 units, 20 ft, and 160 units, 40 ft. The performance, the max speed is less than 25 kilometers. The max load is about 150 kilograms. The distance per charge is more than 45 kilometers. Now please see some photos about 1526 electric bicycle. This is the model picture in Wuxi. Okay, now I will introduce the model 2001. The Model 2001 electric bicycle charger is the AC 100 volt to 240 volt smart charge, and the motor is a brushless 250 volt real motor. The charging time is 2 to 5 hours. The lithium battery 36 volts and 7.8 Ah or 10.4 Ah. The throttle, the fork is a strength fork. The mechanical components, the framing material is aluminum alloy. The trails is 8.5 inch, and the material rim is alloy. And the display is LED. The foldable, and the climbing safety is 7 degrees. The brake is electronic. The light is LED front rear light, and there is no brake lever, and the handlebar is alloy foldable and waterproof is normal. There is no chain wheel rock, the saddle is no. The performance, the max speed is less than 25 kilometers. The max load is about 120 kilograms, and the distance per charge is more than 25 kilometers. The net weight is 12 kilograms. The size unfold is 154 millimeters multiply 436 millimeters multiply 1140 millimeters. The size fold is 154 millimeters multiply 436 millimeters multiply 480 millimeters. And some photos about 2001 electric bicycle. Yes, it is very smart. Okay, next let me introduce my colleague Terry to introduce the other models about electric bicycle.
Good morning, everyone. This is Telephone in China. Welcome to our today's lecture about electric pipes. Today I'm going to show you 4 types of the electric pipe. First is the model 1809. It sells US $942 night. Its charge is 100 voltage to 240 voltage smart charge. Its charging time is about 4 to 6 hours. The throttle of it is optional. The frame of this bike is aluminum alloy. The tires is 26 inch. The rim of it is alloy double wall. The chain is KMC and the chain wheel is alloy. It doesn't support a rear rack. The seller of it is JST. The battery of this bike is brushless 340, and the battery is 48 voltage. The sensor type is speed sensor. The display of it is LCD5 model adjusted speed meter. The climbing capacity is about 12 degrees. The brake of it is FR double disc brake. The speed class is smaller 6 speed. The speed area is all the smaller 6 speed. The handlebar is alloy. All the steam. The net weight is about 35 kilograms. The size is about 450. Take 323, 820 millimeters. The next is this performance. The max speed is about 30 kilograms. The max load is about 140 kilograms. The distance charge is more than 45 kilograms. These are some pictures of this kind of pipe. Next is another model 1521. It sells $813 net. This charger is 100 to 240 voltage smart charge. Its charging time is about 4 to 6 hours. It also supports the optional throttle. The frame of this is aluminum alloy. The tires is meter is 700. The rim is alloy double wall. The chain is KMC. The chain wheel is alloy. The rear rack, it doesn't support the rear rack. Its motor is brushless 250. The battery is 36 voltage. The sensor type is speed sensor. The display of it is LCD 5 adjusted speed meter. The climbing capacity is about 12 degrees. The front fork is Taiwan SR contour expansion fork. This breaker is FR double disaggregate. The speeder gas is number 26 speed. The handlebar and the stem is analog. The little bit of it is about 26 kilograms. The gross weight is about 31 kilograms. The current size is about 1,470 take 270 take 1,070 millimeters. Its max speed is about 25 kilograms. The max model is about 120 kilograms. The distance the charge is more than 45 kilograms. Next is model 1801. This kind sells 445 US dollars a night. The charge is 100 to 240 smart charge. And the charging time is about 4 to 6 hours. The throttle is optional too. The frame of it is alloy. The tires is about 20 inch. The rim is alloy. The chain is PVC. The chain wheel and the rear rack is alloy. The saddle is comfortable fitting style. The motor of this kind is brushless 350 rear motor, and the battery is 36 stage. The sensor type is speed sensor. The display on it is LC LED. It supports the simple, and the capacity, climbing capacity is about 12 degrees. The front fork of this is still straight fork. The panel is full ball. The handlebar is analog. The net weight of it is about 90 kilograms. The current size is about 900 take 470 take 860 millimeters. The antenna node is about 110 or 230 meters. The max speed of it is about 25 kilograms. The max number is about 100 kilograms. The distance charge more than 40 kilograms. This is the master model 1803. This kind sells 483 US dollars night. The charging time is AC 100 to 240 page. The charging time is about 2 to 5 hours. The sports the optional throttle. The motor of it is about 240 rear motor. The battery is 36 stage. The sensor type is speed sensor. The display object is the LED. Football object smooth football. The cleaning capacity is about 12 degrees. The speed gas is smaller 6 speed, as well as the handlebar. The stem of is alloy. The frame is aluminum alloy. The tires is about 20 inch. The ring of it is alloy. The chain is PMC. The chain wheel is alloy. But it doesn't respond the rear rack. The seller is GSP. The net weight is about 18.5 kilograms. The current size is about 900 take 470 take 760 millimeters. Its container load is about 110 units per 20 feet. The max below this bike about 30 kilograms. The max load is about 100 kilograms. On distance, the charge is more than 40 kilograms. These are the pictures of this model. Okay, as online introduction of this 4 types of electric bikes. If you want to know more about our product, you can connect with us.
Hello everyone, this is Sam from China, and today I will introduce you about EV bikes. We have 4 models, and the first one is model 16121, and then each price is $429. The charger we use AC 100V 240V smart change. This model's changing time is 5 to 8 hours. Motor we use brushless 300W real motor. Butter is lithium butter 48V 11Ah, and it is foldable. This type These types mechanical components. Its frame is steel. Tails is 15. Tails is 14 inch. Sandal is real leather. Chain K and C. Chain wheel we use steel. Rail rack is S. Sandal is JST. The display is LED. This light we use LED front light. Its climbing capacity is 12 degrees. Brake is FR disc brake or RR disc brake. Its speed GS is single speed. Rail derailleur is no. Handle bit is every. And steam is every football. It supports the phone holder. Something about packing information. Its net weight is 25 kilograms. Carton size is 745 multiply 410 multiply 610. Its max speed less than 25 kilometers. The max load is 75 kilograms. Distance per charge more than 55 kilometers. The second mode is 1708, and each one is 728. The charger is AC 100 V, 240 V. Smart charge. The charger time is 5 to 8 hours. Throttle you can optional. Motor we use brushless 250 W real motor. Butter is lithium. Battery 40 and 8 V 11 AH. Sensor type is speed sensor. Mechanical components. This type's frame is aluminum alloy. Tires are 20 inch multiply 3. Wheel is alloy. Chain we use KMD type. Chain wheel is alloy. Rail rack displayer LCD 5 model, adjuster speedometer, climbing capacity 12 degrees, brake wheels, FR disc brake or RR disc brake, speed gels, Shimano 6-speed, rail derailleur, Shimano 6-speed, handlebar, we use alloy, steam is alloy, and its net weight is 25 kilograms. Carton size is 730 multiply 340 multiply 920. Its max speed less than 30 kilograms 1 hour. Max load is 110 kilograms. Distance per charge more than 45 kilometers. The third model is 1,809, and each one costs 727. We use AC 100V 2040V smart charge, and its charging time is 4 to 7 hours. Throttle you can optional. Motor we use brushless 350W. Lithium battery is 48V 11Ah. Sensor type is speed sensor. Displayer is LED 5 model, adjuster speedometer. Its frame is made of aluminum alloy. Tires are 28-inch multiply 4. Rim is every double wall. Chain KNC. Chain wheel is alloy. Rail rack sandal JST, and its climbing capacity 12 degrees. Brake is FR disc brake or RR disc brake. Speed gels, Shimano 7-speed, rail derailleur, Shimano 7-speed, handlebar, alloy steam, alloy 4. Its max speed less than 30 kilometers. Max load is 140 kilograms. Distance per charge more than 45 kilometers. The last model is 1,908, and each one is $774. We use AC 100V 240V smart charge. Charging time is 3 to 5 hours. Throttle is motor brushless 500W. Battery we use lithium battery 48V 11Ah. Display is LCD. 5 model adjust speed meter. Frame is made of aluminum and tires are 28-inch rim. Elbow double wall chain KMC chain wheel and rail rack. Yes. Sandal we use KST. Its climbing capacity 12 degrees. Brake is FR disc brake or RR disc brake. Speed wheels. Terminal 7-speed. Rail derailleur. Terminal 7-speed. Handlebar. We use adder. Steam is adder. Max speed less than 35 kilometers. Max load 125 kilograms. Its net weight is 32 kilograms. Carton size 1,500 multiply 360 multiply 900. Container load 70 units 20 FT 150 units 40 FT. Distance per charge is more than 50 kilometers. Thanks for watching.
简单的展示一下你的样品小车，你介绍一下。
Okay, hello everyone, this is Bina from EB China. Okay, this part is the last part of this presentation. It is Q&A. And in this part, we assume some questions and we offer you some information about the answer. Okay, before this part, I want to show you the samples of your e-bags. As you can see, this is the mini e-bags and it's very heavy and I can carry it by one hand. And the color of it is white. You can see it takes up so many lines, so you don't have to worry about whether you can carry it. And it is suited for the females. Okay, this is let's begin the last part Q&A. The first question is how much does it cost? The answer is the The folding electric bike you can choose belonging to the high-end customized series in Europe and America. After 15 years of continuous improvement, all engineers have now achieved about 12 to 15 kilograms. The average lady can pick it up with one hand without a problem. The second question is, what's the frame made of? All frame materials is very high and very strong aluminum alloy 60661 series will not rust. The second question is, what is a battery? How many years will it last? The battery is a lithium-ion battery with 1,020 circles. At least to explain further the circle presence, the normal working life of the battery. Each charge is a circle. Assuming that you charge once a day, its working life is 1,020 days. At the end of its working life, the battery still has about 65% capacity. Of course, you can still use it, but it is recommended to replace it because at this time the power of the battery will show the virtual power, which will bring inconvenience to your work and life. Okay, next page. The first question is, what if the battery runs out? Where can I get one? Please contact us to buy repair parts when the battery is used. The cost is purchase is very cheap, and we will give preferential treatment to old customers. And the next question is, how long does it take to charge? How many kilometers on one single charge? And the answer is that it can be fully charged in 4 to 6 hours. It can run about 45 kilometers with pure foot power and about 18 kilometers with pure handle powers. And the next question is, what's the maximum speed? Different countries have different requirements. By default, all factory maximum speed is 25 kilometers every hour, which is a European standard. If there is special requirement, please let us know when you place the order. Generally, if the factory setting are changed, the minimum order quantity is 56. And the next question is, can it be folded into the truck, into the elevator, into the subway? The answer is, after folding, it can be put in the truck, can enter the elevator. Whether or not to take the subway depends on the local traffic management requirements. And decide, for example, in Wuxi, China, where I live, we allow electric bikes and the scooters to be folded and brought into the subway. And there is a certificate, the quality management system certificate. And you can see all companies' titles on this certificate. This certificate shows that we can offer you the high quality electric bikes. And the next one is the environmental management system certificate. So we produce this electric bike is added to the environmental management, so you don't have to worry about the quality. And the third certificate is Occupational Health and Safety Management System certificate. And these three certificates show that we can offer user high quality electric bags, and you don't have to worry about the quality. So if you have more confusions, you can follow or lecture or email us. We can offer you more information. And you can see this is the sample of all electric bag. You can see so many, and it but it can't be folded. It's very light. You can see I can carry it by one hand, and its color is white. And another one is black, so it is suited for the male and females. You can choose different colors. So if you want to know the cost of purchase made from us, you can follow our live show and email us. We can offer you more information. Okay, this picture shows that the environment of our factory. As you can see, this picture shows that the electric bag is being produced, and you can see the environment of our factory. This picture, you can see the production lines, and this is another picture. You can see we can produce and sell the electric bags in different specifications. And in this live show, we introduced the electric bag of 1802 and 1806, and we offer more information about its equipment. And there's a picture. You can see the picture of this model, and the electric bag 2110 and 2001. So if you want to know more about our electric bags, please follow our live show and email us. We can offer you more information. Okay, thanks for your watching. And we do hope that we can cooperate with you in 2022. Thank you.